RC, obviously this is a new brilliant medical group as they said. So, you're the new endorser of Brilliant, paano?
Po?
Are you the new endorser of...
I am the new face of Brilliant Medical Clinic, yes. And, you know, mahaba na rin po yung pinagsamahan namin ni Glenda since she decided to do her life story and ako yung nag-portray as Miss Glenda. So, actually, matagal na namin ito pinag-uusapan. Noon pa lang ginawa ko yung life story niya. So, here it is, finally. Thank you so much, Madam. Yes, for considering me. Actually, si Glenda, sobrang humble niya. Siya pa yung lagi nagsasabi, thank you for accepting it. Sabi ko, stop! Ano ba? Thank you, diba, for getting us, for considering us. Yun. So, I'm glad.
Anong services yung mga...
ang gusto mo?
I-bail and all.
Ay, ako po talaga nag-sample. So, nung nag-soft opening sila, tinodo ko na talaga. Talagang sinulit ko bilang mahilig talaga ako magpaganda. So, nakita ko yun ang common na denominator namin ni Glenda. Bilang pareho kaming kikay, mahilig magpaganda. So, the other day, medyo kasi nagkaka-problem ako sa acne breakouts ko. So, si Glenda mismo yung minessage ko. Sabi ko, ano bang gagawin ko? Yung pala, she had the same problem 3 months ago. So, I went here and they gave me yung necessary treatments that I needed and some acne medications as well. So, yan, unti-unti. And then, lahat na ginamit ko, meron laser, may acne removal, which is very important to me right now, and then slimming, nag-IV drip din ako. Lahat talaga tinodo ko isang araw. Yes. I know, I'm so happy.
So ano pa yung mga services na if ever in the future na gusto mo?
You know, they also have surgery. They have surgery. This first floor is surgery. So if ever if any one of you considers na to get enhancement, come here at Brilliant because I really trust them. Pero as of now, wala pa naman akong gusto. Wala na.
Wala ka na gusto.
Okay na.
Okay na po.
Masaya na po.
Happy ka na,
I'm
kumbaga.
so happy. Oh yes, and right now, I'm just happy na I'm part of Brilliant. Kasi hindi lang naman yun, di ba, ang kailangan ko para, syempre kailangan ko i-maintain yung aking physical, yung skin, pinaka-importante sa akin. So, I'm glad na I have Brilliant with me.
Aside from the mga endorsement, ano pinagkakaabala na dapat nabangan pa kay RC?
Last year actually po, nag-shoot kami ng mga movies. That will be shown this year. So,
okay lang i-mention.
Meron kami kay Direk Niel po sa NDM Studios. So that's Malditas and Maldives. And then we have Kabit Killers. And then a travel show. That's why I'm always out of the country. And a lot more businesses. Very busy po. And it's such a great start for us this 2024. And I'm really, really glad.
Yung travel show, I heard about that nga. Parang, ano ba to? Parang may connect ba to sa Korea? Ano ba to?
Ano po siya eh, since I love to travel, so inisip na rin namin ni Direk Niel na why not, isama na rin natin kasi I love to eat, I love to cook. So sabi ni Direk Niel, sayang naman yung travel mo, sige i-shoot na natin. So we're always together when we travel with my mom. Tapos po, fini-feature namin yung mga delicacies, yung mga yung cuisine ng isang country na pinupuntahan ko and some attractions as well. Pero mostly I focus on food because I love Anthony Bourdain. So he's really my inspiration. He inspired me in so many ways in my life.
Saan na kayo nakapuntang bansa?
Mostly Asia po. So the first one was Vietnam and then we went to Indonesia. Wherever we go po, we also shoot parts of our movies. So talagang sulit.
So talaga to?
Yes, and it's a small company, you know. Si Direk has the studio for the longest time. Pero ako po, bagong partnership namin.
So you're also the producer?
Yes,
one of the
I'm also one of the
producers.
producers. I'm the makeup artist, I'm the stylist, all in one.
Ano yung movie na sa mga ginawa mo? Yung kumbaga, sinushoot mo along with the travel show?
Yung Kabit Killers. That's why it's so exciting for me.
Hindi siyang title, no? Oo.
Kabit Killers, alam nyo na, wala nang tinago talaga si Derek. So, ano siya eh, well obviously sa title, killer siya ng kabit.
Correct.
Surprising.
Oo, so, kunwari, hard killer kasi nga siya. So, kung nasaan yung kabit, pinupuntahan din niya. Kaya siya
So,
nagtatravel.
mga ilang kabit tong na-kill na ito.
Basta ang saya. Tapos mag-shoot kami. Kasi yung isang movie namin ni Derek Niel, yung Malditas in Maldives, official na entry na siya sa Japan, sa Nagoya na Film Fest.
Kailan siya?
So sa end of May, andun kami.
Tapos na yung shoot niya.
Tapos na yung shoot namin nila. Kasama ko sila kay dyan sa shoot namin sa Maldives.
Pero itong kinoconnect niyo sa travel show, hindi pa to tapos. Hindi pa.
Ito hindi pa kasi,
Yung Kabit Killer.
we're aiming po talaga for 6 episodes. So right now we have 4 for the travel show. And then sa Kabit Killer, Cambodia, Indonesia, Malaysia. So may Japan kami. Gusto ko 4. Oo, gusto ni Direk at least 6 yung ano.
So yun nga, you're part of the, you're part of the production now. You're one of the producers. Nandun ka na, RST, sa if ever, pagpuproduce na talaga din.
Yes, super exciting. Actually, artistic director din ako ni Derek Niel. So, I'm so happy kasi po, nabibigyan niya ako ng chance na talagang i-showcase yung artistry ko, kung ano talaga yung gusto ko ipakita sa isang eksena. Pinag-uusapan namin. And I'm glad na-open si Direk sa mga inputs ko. Kasi medyo, talaga kami, magka-wavelength kami, Direk, pareho kami baliw. Pareho kami si Bata, pareho kami mahilig sa anime, mahilig mag-nihongo. So bumili na rin po kami nag-rent kami ng small studio sa Japan, sa Nagoya. So mas marami na kaming tao actually doon kaysa here in the Philippines. Kaya sobrang exciting. Kaya every time din, nandun din palagi si Direk, nandun kami para to watch over. Kasi po may mga Filipinos also there na binigyan ng work ni Direk na gusto na magkaroon ng chance na pumasok sa isang production. And they're also artists. Kaya ang saya, sobrang
Sa teleserye, parang yung last mo? Medyo matagal na
Yung
rin.
last ko, yung after pa, kami first, show na shoot nung nag-open. Opo, nung pandemic yung hanggang paalam. And then, that was the last.
Yun
Because
nga
I think I've been going around.
Yes. So, anong plans mo doon? Like this year ba? Is there a chance na gumawa ka uli ng teleserye?
Of course, oo naman po. Actually, I'm with Cornerstone po right now. So, early this year, January, we had our career planning. So, yun talaga yung part nila. Third quarter, probably. Opo, dyan po yung manager ko.
So, mga third quarter pa to, if ever.
Kasi dami rin po, sobrang full skilled kami. And sobrang grateful talaga. Kasi this is another chance talaga na binigay sa akin ni Lord. So, I wanna make the most of it.
Sa personal life ni RC,
Wala kang
kumusta?
time for love?
Yeah, kumusta
Okay na po. I'm happy with my life.
I'm happy with
So
my life.
you don't need a partner right now?
Oh, you have a partner.
I need a partner.
Okay.
Of course, I need a partner.
But is
But
that a
I need
I need a
priority?
partner, oo, di ba? Oo.
Kasi, in everything. Kasi po, ano lang yan eh. Nanonood akong One Piece yung anime. Sabi ni Luffy, kasi di ba po sa crew niya as pirates, andun si Zoro na swordsman niya. Tapos si Sanji na cook. Di ba si Luffy, hindi niya kaya nang siya lang mag-isa. Very inspirational po yung One Piece.
I agree.
I know, very Japan.
Di ba may line siya doon nung kalaban niya si Arlo. Sabi niya, pirate din ako, hindi ko kaya na ako lang, kaya hindi ako swordsman. So he needs his crew, and same with me, I need a partner in everything that I do. Kasi sa dami rin ang ginagawa ko sa buhay. Hindi ko rin kaya na ako lang lahat yun.
Yes.
So you have a partner now?
Yes, si Derek
romantic
Niel, si
Love life.
Okay.
Okay, thanks, RC.
Oy,